Hey, check this out. In front of us, we have three palettes right here that we're going over to see the differences. The ones in the middle is the Sport, and this one is the StrailSport, and the red one is the Elite. Now, in this video, we are going over all the exterior design features between these three. All of them has a big black grill, a big front grill in front of them, right? The one in the middle is the Sport. We have a big matte finish grill in front of us, and we have that matte finish on the bottom for the bumper. When you go to that airflow right here, we have a black chrome on this side. And for the tire itself, we have a nice tire right here. And the size of the tire is 255, 50, and 20. Now, let's move to the StrailSport. On the StrailSport, you see that big sign that says StrailSport, that badge. And you also have a forward-facing camera on the StrailSport. Now, as for the grille itself, you have a silver black finish grille on the StrailSport, right? Now, going down, you have two-tone color matte finish on the bumper, right? It's a two-tone colors. And when you go to the tire, remember, this is the StrailSport. So you have a bigger tire. You have 265, 60, and 18 inches for the tire. Now, let's see what the Elite has. The Elite have that same glossy black finish like the StrailSport, and at the bottom, it's pretty much the same again, a matte finish, two-tone color matte finish, and you have a silver chrome here instead of black on these other two. For the tire size, it's 255, 50, and 20 for the tire size. Now let me know what you think of the 4th generation Honda palette. Look at the design. Now, on the 4th generation, on the Elite and the StrailSport, when the vehicles are locked, the mirrors are folded, right? Just the Elite and the StrailSport only that has that features. And one thing with the StrailSport that I also like, on whatever color you get on the StrailSport, you always have black handle chrome right there. Black handle, it's always nice. Whereas on the other one, the color finish, the color match. On the back, the Sport and the Elite, they look alike on the back. Whereas on the StrailSport, it's different. Remember, every single one of those cars can tow up to 5,000 pounds. But on the StrailSport, it comes standard with a tow hitch, where you do not have that on the other one. Now, let me know what you think on the description, right? How do you like the 4th generation? And if you want to see more, subscribe and like this video. I'm coming out with more videos like that.